What if the sun suddenly disappeared for 8 minutes? It's a perfectly normal day on Earth. Cars move through traffic. People scroll through their phones. Birds cut across a clear blue sky. The sun shines above us, steady, warm, familiar. Nothing feels wrong. But what most people don't realize is this. The sunlight touching your face right now is not happening in real time. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second, the fastest speed in the universe. Even at that speed, it takes sunlight roughly 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth from the sun, which is about 150 million kilometers away. So every time you look at the sun, you're actually seeing it as it was more than 8 minutes ago. Now imagine this. At the very center of the solar system, something impossible happens. The sun suddenly disappears. No explosion, no warning, no sound. It's just gone. But Earth doesn't notice yet. For the next 8 minutes, life continues normally. People laugh, drive, work, and walk beneath a sun that no longer exists. And then, everything changes. Exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds later, the sunlight stops arriving. The sky doesn't slowly dim. It doesn't fade like a sunset. It shuts off instantly. One moment it's day, the next moment, absolute night. Across the planet, shadows vanish. Cities are swallowed by darkness. Highways freeze in confusion. And something strange happens in the sky. The moon disappears, not because it's gone, but because the moon has no light of its own. It only reflects sunlight. Without the sun, the moon becomes invisible. The daytime sky turns pitch black. Stars appear instantly, thousands of them, where the sun once ruled. But the most dangerous change isn't the darkness, it's gravity. Gravity, just like light, travels at the speed of light, which means for those same 8 minutes, Earth was still being held in orbit by the sun's gravitational pull. Now that pull is gone. Instantly, Earth is no longer tied to the sun, and our planet begins to drift. Earth doesn't slow down. It doesn't stop. It continues moving at about 30 kilometers per second, the speed it was orbiting the sun. But without gravity pulling it inward, Earth no longer curves around the sun. Instead, it flies off in a straight line. This is basic orbital physics. An orbit is just constant falling towards something. Remove gravity and the fall stops. Earth shoots forward along a tangent path, like a stone released from a sling. The solar system loses its balance. Planets begin drifting from their orbits. Asteroids scatter. The precise clockwork of the solar system breaks apart. Earth becomes a rogue planet, homeless, untethered, drifting into deep space. On the surface, chaos erupts. People scream as daylight vanishes in an instant. Traffic accidents multiply. Airports shut down immediately. Pilots struggle without visual references. Some planes crash. Satellites begin to fail as solar panels lose their power source. Communication systems flicker and drop. Solar power plants go offline instantly. The global power grid destabilizes. Emergency systems activate across the world. Animals react before humans fully understand. Birds stop flying and return to their nests, believing night has fallen. Nocturnal animals wake up, alert and confused. Dogs howl, farm animals lie down. Plants respond too. Flowers close their petals. Photosynthesis stops instantly. To nature, this sudden darkness feels like night, but at the wrong time, a false night. Across the globe, millions of people stare into the black sky, waiting for answers that never come. And then the cold begins. Without the sun, Earth starts losing heat. Not instantly, but fast. Within the first minute, temperatures begin to drop. Within 5 minutes, the change is noticeable. The sun normally delivers about 174 petawatts of energy to Earth every second. Now that number is 0. The atmosphere starts to cool and contract. Wind patterns destabilize. Weather systems begin to break down. The oceans slow the cooling at first, releasing stored heat like massive thermal batteries. But the trend is unstoppable. Within an hour, global temperatures drop several degrees. If the sun never returned, Earth would freeze rapidly. Within days, temperatures would fall well below freezing worldwide. Within weeks, the surface of the oceans would begin to freeze. Within months, Earth would become a frozen, drifting world lost in the dark. But then, something extraordinary happens. After 8 minutes of darkness, the light returns. The sun snaps back into existence. No sunrise, no gradual glow. Day slams into night like a cosmic flash. The sky ignites. People shield their eyes as the sun suddenly reappears in the exact place it vanished. Satellites reboot. Solar panels surge with power. Communication systems come back online. Plants reopen their leaves. Animals freeze in confusion. Earth survives. But humanity is changed. For 8 minutes, the world experienced complete cosmic vulnerability. Scientists later describe it as one of the most terrifying realizations in human history. Our entire existence depends on a single star. Psychologists talk about a global phenomenon, solar shock. People feel smaller, more fragile, more aware. Every sunrise afterward feels different. The sun is no longer just something in the sky. It is our light, our heat, our gravity, our anchor in space. Without it, Earth doesn't just grow cold, it loses direction. So the next time sunlight touches your face, remember, that light traveled 150 million kilometers through empty space just to reach you. And if the sun ever disappeared again, even for 8 minutes, everything would change. Because even after the sun returns, Earth is no longer the same. For 8 minutes, the planet was set free. Earth didn't just experience darkness, it experienced independence. During those minutes, Earth drifted thousands of kilometers off its original orbital path. That may not sound like much on a cosmic scale, but it's enough to matter. The sun's gravity slowly begins pulling Earth back into a stable orbit, but the orbit is no longer perfect. Seasons shift. Tiny changes in distance mean stronger summers, colder winters. Climate patterns across the planet begin to change. Scientists notice it first. Telescopes record small but measurable deviations in Earth's motion. Astronomers confirm the unthinkable. Earth moved. Humanity realizes something terrifying. Our planet is not fixed. It is not safe. It is not guaranteed. For thousands of years, humans believed the sun would always rise. After this event, that belief dies. Governments react. Global emergency systems are redesigned. Space agencies create constant solar monitoring programs. New technology is developed to predict solar instability, something once thought impossible. But technology can't fix fear. Children have nightmares about the sky going dark. Adults flinch at sudden cloud cover. A moment of silence spreads across the world every year, at the exact time the sun disappeared. Scientists give the event a name, the 8-minute void. Religions interpret it differently. Some see it as a warning, others see it as proof of human smallness. Some see it as a test, but science remains clear. The sun is not just a source of light. It is the reason Earth moves, the reason life exists, the reason time itself feels stable. Without it, Earth is just another rock, drifting through infinite darkness. And this raises a final, unsettling question. If the sun can disappear once, could it happen again? The universe is not designed for comfort. Stars are born, stars evolve, stars die. One day, billions of years from now, the sun will truly disappear, not for 8 minutes, forever. When that day comes, there will be no return of light, no second chance, which makes this moment, right now, even more valuable. Every sunrise is a gift. Every warm day is borrowed time. Every beam of sunlight is a reminder that we are alive because a star allows it. So the next time you step outside and feel the sun on your skin, stop, look up, and remember, life on Earth exists at the mercy of a single star. If this story made you think, made you feel small, or made you look at the sky differently, support the channel, like the video. Subscribe for more cosmic what-if stories, and comment below